It's kind of cool.
Kinda. Oh, he scared it away.
That is probably the coolest storm cloud I have ever fucking seen. Because it's not like over us, we can actually see it over another area.
Yeah, it's weird.
Look how freaking tall that is. It looks like a fucking mushroom cloud.
This one over here is even bigger.
Oh my god.
This one's not nearly as active. How do you get salty out of this wine?
It just tastes salty to me. Whoa! I got that one.
Cool. I wonder if it's aliens.
Can't even hear it. It's so far away.
But I mean, the lightning doesn't seem to be going to the ground. It all seems to be contained within the clouds.
That's so wicked.
Aliens.
Aliens?
Aliens.
Oh god.
Oh, that one over there was big.
It's a gold mothership. Hidden in the clouds.
Might be.
Oh shit! I got that.
I'm yelling.
That was awesome.
Yeah, I know, but you hear how echoey you were?
You're echoey.
Oh, shit.
My hand hurts.
Well, then you can put it down.
I want to get it all.
Well, who knows how long this is going to go? And it's been going for a while. I thought it was the TV when I finally looked out of the corner of my eye and realized it was not the television.
Well, that was cool. Cool, dude.